Introducing Makoro Pricing, a simple approach to owning Makoro while delivering immediate benefit and maximising your return on investment. In response to many customers who want to take back control of their data in order to transform their business with powerful recommendations. If you are an asset or equipment manufacturer, or an asset owner, or indeed an asset or process operator, this pricing information is for you. We offer two approaches. If you are a medium or large company and you have your own infrastructure, or you're an organisation has special requirements that require keeping your data on site or within a plant, our bring your own infrastructure is probably the best option for you. Alternatively, Makoro Cloud is available to all organisations for a fast, scalable deployment. In the Bring Your Own Infrastructure option, you manage your own infrastructure, while we at CodeData help you specify what you need, and we manage the deployment of Makoro onto your infrastructure. We are compatible with all major enterprise infrastructure platforms. Makoro Cloud is the fastest and the simplest way to deploy, test and scale. CodeData manages both the infrastructure and your individual instance and setup. We also have partner options, as Makoro has been designed to support and be compatible with other technology, applications and systems of record. Please talk to our team for more details. Our partner program also includes branded and white label options. No matter what approach you take, Makoro has 4 levels of capability depending on your initial need and your plans for growth and scale. Each level extends Makoro's functionality, capability and value. Makoro grows with you. In any event, you can be confident of our Makoro guarantee. Please sign up today and talk to us for advice or guidance, or take advantage of our 10-day challenge.